You know that awful feeling when your bag gets caught in the rain or splashed by a wave, and you just know everything inside is about to get soaked? Yeah, that's never fun. That's why in this video, we're checking out the best waterproof duffel bags. Bags built to keep your stuff dry, no matter what kind of mess Mother Nature throws your way. I've picked out a few strong contenders across different categories. So whether you're packing for a weekend trip or heading out on something more rugged, there's a great fit here. You'll find all the product links down in the description if you want to look them up later. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the little bell so you don't miss future gear guides. If you've got any questions or want to share your own favorite waterproof duffel, drop a comment. I always enjoy hearing other opinions. Let's get into the reviews and check out which one stands out first. Yeti Panga, best overall waterproof duffel bag. This one sets the bar high for what a waterproof duffel can be. It's built like it's ready for an expedition. Thick, tough, and sealed tighter than a jar of homemade jam. The outside shell feels more like armor than fabric, and that airtight zipper system makes it practically impossible for water to sneak in. I've seen people joke that you could toss it in a lake and still pull your gear out bone dry. It comes in a few sizes, from smaller weekend hauls to the kind of bag that could handle a full-on backcountry trip. The colors are fun too. There's everything from bright yellow to a camo pattern that looks ready for a fishing trip. Those wide straps make it easy to carry, either in hand or like a backpack, and the hardware can take some serious bumps without giving up. Now, it's definitely a premium pick, so it's not for someone looking for a quick budget grab. Some folks think the zipper can be a bit stiff at first, but that's part of what makes the seal so watertight. If you're after a duffel that feels built to survive just about anything, this one easily earns the top spot. Skog or Kust Duffel Sock, best value waterproof duffel bag. This one's kind of like that reliable friend who's always up for an adventure and never complains when things get messy. It's tough, it's practical, and it doesn't cost as much as some of the premium gear out there. The body is made from thick PVC material that laughs in the face of rain, mud, or sand, and the welded seams keep everything sealed tight. The roll-top closure clips down at the sides and top, which really locks things up against splashes or sudden downpours. It comes in a bunch of sizes, from around 40 to 90 liters, so whether it's a quick beach day or a week-long camping trip, there's a version that fits. And the color options? There are plenty, bright, dark, and everything in between. The padded handles and shoulder strap make carrying it feel easier than you'd expect for something that's built this tough. One thing people tend to mention is how roomy it is. You can fit plenty of gear inside, and there are smaller pockets for things you don't want rolling around. A few folks say the buckle placement takes a bit of getting used to, but that's minor. For the price, this one hits that sweet spot between being durable, dependable, and still friendly on the wallet. It's just a smart pick for anyone who wants strong waterproof protection without paying premium prices. NRS High Roll Duffel, best waterproof duffel bag for boating or rafting. If you spend a lot of time around boats or rafts, this one just makes sense. It's built for wet conditions from the start, and you can tell by the way the top rolls down and clips tight to form a clean, high waterproof seal. That fold-down system, called the Storm Strip Closure, is one of those simple ideas that works really well. It locks water out without the need for complicated zippers. The outer shell is made from a tough PVC-free material that holds up against sunlight, scrapes, and rough decks. The seams are welded tight, so there's no stitching for water to sneak through. I like that it's got a flat base, which makes it easy to pack and stack on a raft or in the back of a truck. You can even strap smaller gear to the outside using the webbing chains, which is perfect for keeping quick grab stuff handy. It's a lighter bag too, weighing around 2 pounds, so it doesn't add much bulk. The compression straps help squeeze everything down and make the seal even tighter. It falls into that entry-level premium range. Not cheap, but built to last through a lot of wet trips. If your adventures often involve paddles, waves, or splashes, this one feels like it was made with that in mind. EarthPack Waterproof Duffel, best waterproof duffel bag for motorcycle Overland. This one's a favorite for riders and travelers who need something that can handle rough trips without giving up. It's made from heavy-duty material that feels like it was built for serious use, with all the seams heat-sealed so no water sneaks in. The roll top closure is simple. Fold it down a few times, clip it shut, and you're set. It's one of those designs that just works, whether you're strapping it to the back of a motorcycle or tossing it in a truck bed. Inside, there's plenty of space for a few days' worth of gear, plus mesh pockets to help keep smaller stuff organized. There's even an outside pocket with a zipper for quick grab items. I like that it has reflective panels on the sides for better visibility at night. Something small that makes a big difference on the road. The Molly-style loops on the front and back make it super easy to tie down, which is great for anyone who rides or camps off-grid. It's lightweight, but still feels tough enough to take a beating. And the padded straps make it easy to carry when it's loaded up. It sits in that budget price range, but the build feels way above that. For motorcyclists, overlanders, or anyone who's rough on gear, this one checks all the right boxes for waterproof protection and dependability. Aqua Quest Slipstream, best lightweight waterproof duffel bag. If you like to pack light but still want full waterproof protection, this one really stands out. It's the kind of bag that makes you wonder how something this tough can weigh barely over a pound. The material feels durable and weather-ready, yet it's flexible enough to roll up small when you're not using it. That's perfect for anyone who hates bulky gear taking up space between trips. The closure system rolls down tight to seal everything inside, and it's backed up by compression straps that keep it snug and compact. The outside has a water-resistant zipper pocket for things you want to reach quickly, and there's a mesh pocket for items that can handle getting a little damp, like a water bottle or rope. The handles are padded and comfortable, whether you're carrying it by hand or slinging it over your shoulder. With a 50-liter capacity, it's roomy enough for weekend adventures, paddling trips, or just hauling gear to the campsite. The build feels dependable without being overbuilt, which is nice when you're trying to keep your pack weight down. It falls in that mid-range price zone and comes with a lifetime warranty, which adds extra peace of mind. For folks who want something waterproof, lightweight, and easy to stash anywhere, this one is a real winner. So that's a wrap. Waterproof duffel bags really make all the difference when you're trying to keep your gear dry, whether you're out on the water, hitting the road, or just caught in the rain. It's all about finding the one that fits your adventures best. If any of these caught your eye, the links are down in the description so you can check them out for yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future videos. Got a waterproof duffel you swear by? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing what other people recommend. And if you're looking for more gear guides like this one, check out some of our other videos. There's plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching.